Check out our newest feature release. We now have custom background image support when you're doing those automatic review posts. Our CRM now allows you to personalize and customize background images for auto-posted reviews on social media. Why this matters and how this is going to help you and your business. With this simple update, you can now customize background images to perfectly align with your brand. You can also capture attention with visually striking backgrounds that complement those customer reviews. Now you can also quickly and easily add your own custom background images to auto-posted reviews. This is just another way that we are improving those automatic posted reviews on social media, taking your brand to the next level and letting your customers know the amazing reviews that you're getting. So let's go ahead and walk through this feature. First, I'm going to have you click on Marketing in the left-hand navigation menu, and then in the upper navigation menu, make sure that you're on the Social Planner. Then go ahead and click the plus New Post button. Now I'm going to go ahead and have you select Post Reviews. Go ahead and access the drop-down menu and select Post Reviews. Now you'll see the additional custom images option while posting those reviews. There are all different types of backgrounds, but you can also upload your own background. This is a great way to really emphasize your brand and what you stand for in your business. Go ahead and personalize all of those settings and go ahead and create that post. We hope you enjoy this new feature. Let us know if you need any help at all.